हे गाइस, सो आई होप आप लोगों को कॉलेज लाइफ 4 क्वेश्चंस का एक्सप्लेनेशन समझ में आया होगा. सो आई गॉट मैनी मेल्स रिगार्डिंग एडिशनल टेस्ट केसेस बाय कॉर्नर केसेस to please provide some more test cases. We are not able to solve the problem. So in this video I am going to give you a few more additional test cases as I gave it in the last video. I gave 3 extra test cases. So in this video I'm going to give you more 6 test cases so that you are able to solve the problem. So as you can see, the values of N, E, H, A, B and C are given. So I am taking these values as my inputs, and these are the outputs, expected outputs that we'll be getting it. So the person, so let's understand each test case. So the first test case is person is 3, the persons are 3, eggs are 6, bars are 3 and prices are 2, 3, 1. So similarly we will form the sequence. Let's see. So we need to find the minimum price. So it will be for 3 cakes it is 3 omelets is 6, 2 omelets and 1 cake is 5, and 2 omelets plus 1 shake is 7. So the output is here is 3. For the next test case, there are 3 persons. So the values are given 2, 4, 4, 6, 3. So to find the minimal cost of the food, we need to take 1 omelette, 1 shake, or 1 shake plus 1 cake. So here we are not feeding third person, we are not able to feed third person, so the output would be -1. For the third test case, here are 5 persons available and we have 7 eggs, 5 bars, the price are 3 to 4. So let's see, 5 cakes will cost ₹20, 4 cakes plus 1 omelette is 19, 3 cakes plus 2 omelettes is 18, 1 shake plus 2 cake plus 2 omelettes is 16, and 3 omelettes plus 1 shake plus 1 cake costs 15. So this is the minimal cost, so our answer is 15. So we need to, as you all might be knowing, we need to feed all 5 persons, so we'll take the probabilities what can happen here. So similarly in the next test case, there are 4 people. Values are 4, 6, 5, 3 and 2, and our expected output is 8. So let's see. So we can take 4 cakes, that would cost 8, 2 omelets plus 2 shakes, that costs 16, 3 cakes plus 1 shake, that's 9, 2 cakes plus 1 omelette plus 1 shake, that's 12. So the minimal amount is 8. So the answer is 8. In the next test case, the persons are 2 and the inputs are 3, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and expected output is 3. Let's see. 1 omelette plus 1 cake is 4, 1 omelette plus 1 shake is 3, and 2 cakes cost 6. So the least amount is 3, so the answer is 3. And for the last test case, there are 5 people, and the values are 5 eggs, 4 bars, 3, 2, 2. So here is the output is -1. So 2 omelets plus 1 shake plus 1 cake, or 4 cake. So we are not able to feed all 5 persons, so the output is -1. So I hope you all proceed with your question using the test cases. If you have any query, you can comment below or mail me. So do subscribe if you find the video helpful, and keep coding. All the best for the upcoming questions.